thanks for joining me today. I'm attorney Jamila Little, and in this video we're going to be talking about green card holders. What are some of the rights and responsibilities that you have as a green card holder? So you have your green card, now what? Stay tuned for more in this video. Hey everyone, thanks again for joining me today. As I mentioned before, I am attorney Jamila Little. I practice immigration here in Florida, and we take cases from all over the United States and help immigrants from really all over the world. So today, as I mentioned, I'm going to be discussing with you some of the rights and privileges of green card holders, as well as some of the responsibilities. So congratulations, you got your green card, now what? So let's talk a little bit first about some of the benefits of actually having your green card, because being a permanent resident of the United States is actually a great privilege. As a permanent resident of the United States, you actually have the ability to sponsor some of your family members. And it will depend on which family members you're trying to sponsor. We'll get into that a little bit more maybe in another video. You also have the opportunity to travel freely in and out of the United States. Now, of course, there are time limits in terms of how long you can be outside of the United States as a permanent resident. And again, I'll probably link to another video discussing those time restraints that you would have, but you're free to travel in and out of the US. Just make sure you have your green card with you as well as your passport, and you should be fine to travel. Finally, as a green card holder, you have the opportunity to become a citizen one day in the future. So depending on how you actually got your green card, it may take 3 to 5 years or a little bit less time in some cases to actually apply and become a US citizen. So those are all really great privileges that you have as a green card holder. All right, so now let's talk about some of the responsibilities. As a green card holder or an LPR, a permanent resident, you have to pay taxes. You have to report and file your taxes on a continuous basis from the time that you have your green card. And this is going to be very important as you move forward to citizenship. So that's the first one, filing taxes. Secondly, if you are a male between the ages of 18 and 25 years old, you have to sign up, register with Selective Services. So remember that as well. And the final thing that I'm going to say in terms of a responsibility is, remember, as an LPR, you have to change your address. If you move with USCIS, you have to change that address with USCIS. You have to report that I've changed my address, and you have 10 days within the time that you move to actually report to change your address with Immigration Services. In my opinion, the privileges far outweigh the responsibilities that you have as an LPR, but you certainly have to keep both in mind. And that's it for today, guys. Thanks again for watching. Feel free to leave your comments below, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.